Hello and welcome back to part 4 of our F5 Distributed Cloud Fraud Solutions demo series. Are you who you say you are? In our demo, we're going to bring our fraud solutions to life by taking you on our journey to showcase how F5 secures organizations against fraud. We'll emphasize F5's unique market position to deliver the flexibility, superior efficacy, and frictionless customer experience while reducing fraud within their applications, regardless of where they reside, with simple deployment options. By the end of our demo, you'll see how F5 uniquely protects financial services and online merchants with an integrated platform solution that brings security and fraud teams and data together to stop fraudsters in their tracks. In the previous episode, we zoomed in on the second phase of our solution to determine the level of fraud risk and intent of each transaction. At this phase in the customer journey, it's time to identify returning good users like our friend Alice and securely enable trust across the entire customer journey, reducing friction and enhancing the user experience. Authentication intelligence allows business stakeholders to minimize friction while they add more security for customers. Using our telemetry, we examine the network, hardware, and software signals of a user by looking at their history, for example. Has this user logged in successfully in the past? We look at uniqueness. Is this device operated by a single human user? And integrity. Does our risk engine determine this device and account are safe? In addition, we check those signals to see if we've seen this user or device across our global network of threat intelligence. We send a response back to your application, confirming if this is a good user, allowing the admin to extend the session for that particular user. In the third phase of our fraud solution, our demo scenario focuses on how to reduce friction for good users and enhance the customer experience, resulting in reduced login friction, improved customer experiences, and increased top-line revenue. Now let's jump into a product demo and show how to request authentication intelligence service and also take a look at the visibility provided by the dashboards. From F5's Distributed Cloud Dashboard, let's click on the Authentication Intelligence tile to access the service. On the landing page, you can check out case studies, tech docs, and also schedule a free consultation session with a product expert. To get started, simply press the Request Service button. Upon requesting the service, a JavaScript tag is provisioned for the tenant to be injected onto pages for collecting telemetry. Once the JavaScript has been injected, the data collection process begins and the risk engine is enabled to identify good users returning to your site. A dashboard is now available with user login friction insights. The depth of data provided by the dashboards allows you to see how login friction persists over time. This data helps show how many of these users can have their login experience improved by leveraging authentication intelligence to extend their session. After sessions are safely extended to good users, you begin to see conversion increases from customers who are enjoying a more satisfying user experience due to the benefits of authentication intelligence. We provide you the visibility you need to see how many users are enjoying your services with a frictionless login experience. You can even see over time how many additional conversions or purchases are generated because of removing friction to known good users. Inputting the average customer transaction value allows you to estimate top-line revenue lift and actually see the tangible benefits of the service. You can see further improvements to be achieved by extending to a longer session and improve auto-login implementation. F5's Distributed Cloud Authentication Intelligence provides you the visibility and capability to rescue real users lost due to login friction. As we begin to wrap up our fraud solutions demo, we'd like to share with you some additional key F5 fraud prevention tools. As part of F5's comprehensive online fraud prevention solutions, we offer additional tools including malicious activity detection, which helps organizations identify and protect against web-based malware and online fraud targeting web applications. Data intelligence, which provides application defenders with high-fidelity, actionable intelligence around user behavior, network characteristics, and device characteristics that are useful for detecting malicious traffic. And client-side defense, a monitoring and mitigation solution to protect customer credentials, financial details, and PII against Magecart, form jacking, and other client-side supply chain attacks. Thanks for tuning in to part 4 of our Fraud Solutions demo series to showcase how F5 secures organizations against fraud using our multi-method approach.